So today we have this Viking X20S. It is the smaller version of the X20, and while you can definitely see that it is more easier to take with you, it still is heavy. It still has a lot of power inside the body, and I even think I prefer it over the X20, but there's sadly one big downside, and that's the price. So the X20, its price is around 200 euros lately, and this smaller one is 180 euros now. And for that small price gap, it really depends. Do you want something that's the most powerful loudness? Or do you want something that's powerful and still has deep bass, but is easier to take with you? So then it's definitely the X20S that I like a bit more. But yeah, it's just that the price gap is not that big. Yeah, sure, if you have the retail price, then the X20 was around 250 till 300 euros. But yeah, prices drop. But this new smaller version is still pretty high price now. So it really is a big difference. At least the sound performance is solid. It has a great bass performance. It is loud still. And thanks to still having a racetrack driver and the separate mid drivers, you do get nice detailed sound. But still, the passive radiators are smaller in comparison to the racetrack driver. And this is also something that the X20 had. And this does mean that while there is a lot of bass performance, the passive radiators don't really give you much more push to it. So you do get a nice bass, but it could have been stronger with bigger passive radiators. But at least with the speaker you do get more controlled bass output. Even if you turn on the bass mode, I have some audio samples in this video with the bass mode on as well. It still is very well controlled. I do prefer the speaker without the bass mode. It just sounds more natural, but also more refined. Just nicer to listen to more songs. But the overall performance is pretty solid. And the only thing that I would say is that while there is an X10, that's even smaller than this one, I do think that this one is just nicer because of the built-in handle. And it really is a nice compromise between the best audio out there for the loudness and so on, but still being very handleable. Of course, an Extreme 5 is still smaller, but sadly doesn't have a handle built in like this speaker, or an X20 Sound Party even has a smaller speaker. So yeah, it really is something to easy you on the go. So yeah, let's go to the audio samples and enjoy them.
I still got the nerve to laugh. Corner booth, 2 sugar packs and a plate of cold coleslaw. She said, you always look so calm. I said, baby, that's a facade. I've been counting missed calls like coins on the table edge. Talking big with the tired grin while the whole room leans in. You can hear it in my chest. I don't fold, I don't bend. When the truth walks in slow, I meet it eye to eye, my friend. Don't break my shine. Keep it velvet. Keep it velvet. I'm hard to define. Mama left a note on the fridge next to the peaches and rice. So take your time, take your turn. So I learned how to move it nice. Overhead on the train line.
One more tear on my sleeve, then I let it leave. You left your mark in the rain. I wore it like a name. I was drowning slow, now I watch you go, shaking off the ache. Right before I break, this is the last tear tonight. Last tear tonight. I'm dancing with my life. Last tear tonight. Last tear tonight. Nog een stalen smet noch tut nicht so weh. Doch die Luft wird schon dünn, wenn ich dich so seh. Die letzten Tage, die letzten Tage, wir halten sie fest. Die letzten Tage, die letzten Tage, bis nichts mehr bleibt als Herbst. Am Fenster hängt Licht, wie ein müdes Band. Deine Hand auf der Tasse, meine Hand in der Hand. Der Garten wird still und die Schatten länger. Ich will noch nicht los, doch die Nacht wird enger. Noch ist alles mild, noch tut nicht so weh.
Strahlen tanzen, brechen durch den Nebel. Gelb und Goldfarben spielen wie Gemälde. Horizont glühend wie ein Ofen. Wärme auf der Haut, ist die Kälte verschoben. Schatten fliehen, Lichter regieren. Zeit zum Aufstehen, keine Zeit zu verlieren. Schweiß auf der Stirn, doch der Tag hat begonnen. Leben entfaltet sich unter der Sonne. Sonne brennt, sie kennt keinen Stopp. Feuerball am Himmel, immer on top. Sonne brennt, sie treibt uns voran. Energie für die Welt, sie hält uns im Bann. Sandkörner glitzern wie Diamanten. Wellen brechen, Melodien die Fenster flackern. Doch ich seh nur dein Gesicht. Über dem Rhein hängt schwer die Luft und sie vergisst mich nicht.
Komm näher, wenn die Schatten mich zerreißen.
Komm näher,
Lass die Wände hinter uns kreisen.
ich fall,
Doch du ziehst mich wieder hoch
ich fall.
und dein Blick sagt geh nicht fort.
Rein Schatten, halt mich fest. Rein Schatten, bis zum Rest. Rein Schatten, geh mit mir durch die Nacht direkt zu dir.
Rein Schatten, laut und klar. Rein Schatten, immer da. Rein Schatten, nimm mich mit, bis die Stadt im Dunkel glüht.
Am Ufer liegt
You left your coat on my chair, steam on the glass, still in the air. I found your note by the sink. Two little words, too quick to blink. Now my heart runs in twos, one for me, one for you. I hear your name in the floor. I was ready, you wanted more. Paper covering, falling in my hands. Paper covering, you don't understand. I tried to hold you, you slipped away again. Paper covering, paper covering.
red clay dust on the chrome by the door. Mama said, boy, don't you drive too fast. I just laughed and hit it to the floor. White walls humming on the cracked black top. Radio weak, but it still sang loud. Every mile felt like a dead of me. Every bend had a curse and a crown. The Chevy on route 67, Chevy on route 67. Take me home, take me higher. Chevy on route 67.